So we're happy to announce the creation of a new facility in the CNLM, the Neuroimmune Observatory, leveraging funding from the NIH Brain Initiative, the School of Biological Sciences, the School of Pharmacy and Pharmaceutical Sciences, and the CNLM. This new facility for multiphoton microscopy will let us peer into the living brain to observe the interaction between the immune system and the nervous system. So, for example, the system will be used to investigate how human immune cells implanted into a mouse brain responds to disease and to new experiences. We envision that this new facility will open up new doors for collaboration in the CNLM community. Visit the CNLM website for more information.